Okay, this is a video for a Mario board that came in with a sound issue. As you can see, I went over all the caps, checked them all. They all checked with good ESR. Went through the sound system, checking all the resistors. They all checked out fine. Even in the sound chips, I logic probed those out. All the address lines were going where they're supposed to be going. So I came to the conclusion that it has to be in the sound EEPROM, which I verified as okay, reading the data on it. And then we get to this the sound ICU. The chip that was in here is a 58715-051P chip, and it's hard to see in this video, but as you can see, and when I play the video, that I have running sounds, walking sounds and stuff, and that's it. And that's an analog sound. That actually comes out of, that's the only sound you'll get without this processor working correctly. So I came to the conclusion that this has to be bad. So I looked into schematics and everything, and this actually calls for an 8039 IC chip. So I located 8039 off of Riptor's address, website, twistywristarcade.com. Great site for people buying chips and whatnot. I would highly recommend his site to anybody. So I purchased the 8039 from Riptor site, Twisty Wrist Arcade, and this is the chip I was sent, which is a P8039 AHL made by Intel. And as you can see, this one's out of the board, and that's the original. So I'm going to fire this up on my test bench here. Bear with me. And my little 13-inch monitor here. As you can see, Mario comes up. And let me coin this up here real quickly. Add some credits and we'll hit play. And as you notice, you will only get the running sounds in this game. And you hear the running sounds? You're sliding. Running sound. No music, no other sounds. Watch. Nothing. So that basically is no sounds. So as I power it down, I'm going to remove this chip. I'm trying to do it with one hand, so bear with me. I am using a screwdriver, even though I have a IC extractor, which I really need two hands for that. So I'm going to remove this original chip out of here. That's the original. Don't know if you can see it, but that's the 5817, and replacing it with the Intel 8039. So make sure we have it in the right way. The pin 1 is here, and on the board pin 1 goes in that direction. So we will reinsert it into the socket. So I put it back in here, make sure it's in there good. There we go. Push down, insert it, and now I will add the power back on my test bench. And now you have Mario. Now I'm thinking, oh great, no sound. But this is the first time I actually have had a Mario board, so I didn't know there was no sound here. But as we coined it up, oh, we have a coin sound we didn't have before. And now one player, we'll do one player. Now sound. we actually have sound in the game now. Anyway, there you have. Now adding the new proper 8039 chip, I now have all sounds working. And that's the end of this video.